Yeah, Grass, it is true we have seen LDCs facing a number of challenges while carrying out international trade, but still we need this trade. So let us look at the importance of international trade in development. Why should countries trade together? Number one, it is a source of foreign exchange. For example, if Rwanda trades with USA, it will earn dollars. International trade expands the market of a country. The more the countries a country trades with, the larger the market it will have for its goods and services. It promotes foreign investment. This trade attracts big investors with large sums of money. They come and invest in another country. It leads or it brings an increase in national income. The GDP, the country's income increases because investors come, people work, earn income, they pay taxes, and the national income will increase. It leads to price stabilization. The prices become stable because they are fixed by the trading blocks. Not every country or every trader puts his or her own price. It is the countries in the trading block that fix prices of different products, and their prices will become stable. Next, international trade encourages specialization because there is what we call comparative advantage. The country will produce what it produces better than another country and earns much money than when it had got involved in many activities or in one production of a single product. For example, if Rwanda produces the best coffee in Africa, it will specialize in coffee production. Uganda will also specialize in maybe tea production. It helps to improve the quality of local products. Because of competition, countries will put much emphasis on quality such that they are not outcompeted in international markets. International trade increases the flow of capital goods and technology in less developed countries because we said investors, foreign investors come, they come to invest in technology, they come to invest in production of different goods, and their capital inflow of goods and technology will come to our less developed countries. It has promoted international friendship or relationship between different countries. This is obvious. Thank you.